Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to adjust magnifier window zoom on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, okay, go to interaction and dexterity. Here in interaction and dexterity, you can see the assistant menu. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And the first things you can do is enable the assistant menu by switching on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, that's it, the assistant menu. Okay, but in this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust magnifier window zoom on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, you'll have to do is, okay, below you can see the touchpad, cursor, and magnifier settings. You'll have to do is tap this. And okay, here you can see the magnifier window, okay? And you can see the adjustment below of this magnifier window. And you can see the adjustment here. And you can adjust to the right to zoom the magnifier window, or you can adjust to the left to zoom out the magnifier window. And that's it, okay? We have successfully adjust the magnifier window zoom on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.